Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm going to be teaching you how to play So Cold by Boywithuke. This one was recommended. All these have been recommended by you guys. I have this whole list going on right now. I'm trying to slowly go through it, but this is today's, and I'm pretty sure there's 5 different chords in this song, and then 3 different strumming patterns. 2 are strumming, and 1 is a picking. But everything is actually pretty easy, so let's go ahead and get to the chords. Before we get to the chords, I want to announce that I'm going to be doing a giveaway when we hit 500 subscribers. I'm going to be making one of these custom backpack ukuleles. I made this Naruto one for myself. I'm going to be making one of these custom backpack ukuleles, and whoever wins gets to tell me what kind of theme they want to go for it. Like this one would be Naruto. I made a Death Note one for my sister-in-law, and so as the 500 subscriber giveaway, once we hit 500 subs, I will come back to this and see what you guys put down, and I will randomly pick a person, and whatever design theme they want, I will make them one of these and send it to them. But how you enter is super easy. All you have to do is like this video, comment what theme you would want yours to be designed if you want, and make sure you share this video. The more people you share it with, the more people will get out to, and the more people that will enter this contest, and the more the channel will go up, because once we hit 1,000, I'm planning on doing a custom painted ukulele. So 500 subs, this custom backpack one, whatever design you want, and then 1,000 subs, we're gonna do a custom painted full-size ukulele. So yeah, let's go learn So Cold. Okay, the chords for this song are pretty easy. There's 1 bar chord, but it's not too hard. They're all gonna be right here. But it goes in this order the whole song, and it's the same 5 chords, which it's actually 4 chords most of the time, but he kind of switches from one to another. But they're basically the same chord, just one finger is different. But it starts with a D minor, which is your first finger on the 3rd string 1st fret, your 3rd finger on the 2nd string 2nd fret, and your middle finger on the top string 2nd fret. Sounds like this. The 2nd chord is the bar chord I was talking about. You don't have to play it as a bar chord. You could play it like this, but for me it's easier to play a bar chord. This is a B flat. What you want to do is make sure you get these 2 bottom strings in the 1st fret. I like to just bar this whole one. And then your 2nd finger goes on the 2nd string 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger is on the top string 3rd fret. It sounds like this. And the next chord in the song is an F, which if you've been playing the ukulele for a while, you should know. But it is just your 1st finger, 1st fret, 3rd string, and your 2nd finger on the 1st string 2nd fret. It sounds like this. The next chord is an A7, which is just your 1st finger on the 2nd string 1st fret. And then the one that comes right after that is an A, which if you've been playing ukulele for a while, you should know that, but that's just adding your 2nd finger to the 1st string 2nd fret. It sounds like this. So to recap, it is D minor, B flat, F, A7, and A. And then it goes back to D minor. Okay, so there's actually 5 different strumming patterns. After I re-listened to the song, I kind of figured it out. The first one is the simple down, down, up, down, up that we have been doing in the other songs. And that's the intro when he's saying the oh, and you just go through the chords. And then once you get to the first verse, it is a down, down, mute. And you go through all the chords, but once you get to the A's, you do them a little bit quicker. So the first one would be the D minor, which is down, down, mute. And then it's like 1, 2, B, down, down, mute. 1, 2, F, down, down, mute. 1, 2, and then the A's are just 1 second. So down, down, mute. 1, down, down, mute. 1, back to D minor. And then you go through that. And then the second strumming pattern is just a simple down strum. This is when he gets to the part where he says, like, I feel unhappy when it's you getting, that part. It's just a down, D minor, B, F. When you get to the first A7, you do it twice, down, down, and then A once, down, and then back to D minor. So how it would go is, I feel unhappy right now when it's you getting lied to. I say to you now, I get gaslighted. I'm so like unhappy now when it's that part. So see how when I do the D minor is one, B is one, F is one, this A7 is twice, and then A is one, and then back to D minor. And then after that strumming pattern is when he gets a little more excited, which says, when I'm with you. And that's just a mute, down, down, up, down, up. So mute, down, down, up, down, up. Mute, down, down, up, down, up, mute, down, down, up, down, up, mute, down, down, up, down, up, mute, down, down, up, down, up. And that one you don't have to switch from the A7 to the A. You can just go D minor, B flat, F, A7, and then back to D minor. There's no like skipping in between, just like the other ones are. And then the last one, which I think is like the coolest sounding one, is when he gets to the part and he's like, why do I feel cold? That is a strumming pattern, which is just the top string, the third string, and the fourth string, and then a mute. And you would do that with all 5 of them again, just like the down, down, mute. So it would start with the D minor, top string, third string, fourth string, mute. And then B minor, and then the F, and then the A7, A, D minor. Do I feel cold? Why do I feel cold? When I'm underneath the sun. Those are the 5 strumming patterns. They're all pretty similar, but they make the song sound different in each one of those parts. You could probably just play the whole song with just the down, down, mute. But if you want to play just like him, then those are the strumming patterns for that. Waste myself with disillusion, give it back up, I'm by the fireworks. I set up at the pond to see your tires work. I hiccup when you're gonna get your admirers. Set up with the con of my retired clerk. I'm fed up with the song. I feel unhappy right now when it's you getting lied to. I say to you now, I get gaslighted. I'm so like unhappy now. I don't know how to count all my blessings with you, babe. I don't know when I'm with you. Why do I feel cold? Why do I feel cold? When I'm underneath the sun. Why do I feel cold? Why do I feel cold? When I'm underneath the sun. A creature with 2 heads, sleeping in 2 beds. Is it sweet or is it dead?